Hi guys, so for this video I'm going to be doing a unicorn themed decoration, which you can use either for your room decor, for your makeup brushes, for a party, which these would be good for a candy table or centerpieces. I'm going to use these either as centerpieces for my niece's birthday party or on the candy table. And so I bought this at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna wrap this around my vase like that. And then I also purchased this at Dollar Tree, which it came in a bag with seashells and this little horn, which I use these for my mermaid themed birthday party. I just spray painted those, but for this one I'm gonna use this one. And then I have this black adhesive paper that I'm gonna use for the eyelashes. I already kind of drew them on there, but I'm gonna cut those out and put them on here. So just keep watching so I can show you how I do that. Okay, so here is my finishing look. I think it looks so cute. I don't know if I should add some more like bling or something, but this is just a simple, quick, really cute design for a party or for your room. If you want to put your makeup brushes up here, well, in here, I mean, in here. You can put sponges, anything you guys want. It's just really simple, really cheap, and really cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and like my video or subscribe or both. Thank you guys for watching,